people were evacuated and barely made it, and cars burned, you know, all this crazy stuff. So, and I was like, that's way too close, you know, way too close for comfort. And then all the schools I was working at were gone.
Yep. Yeah, my morning was spent on a telephone and a radio evacuating the buses.
Whoa. Well, there you go.
Like, it was really close. It was really close to me.
Right.
Yep.
So because we can all feel that, like there's this real beauty in saying, okay, it's not about making that go away. It's about the opportunity of, now I've been given this gift of intensity. I can feel the, whatever you want to call it, the weight, the energetic reality of it, the whatever is your word for it. Okay, if that's the truth, then that's the fuel for growing inner wealth.
Right.
It's the compost I can use to garden now. And so if I've been given the gift of feeling that, instead of making it go away, or instead of trying to do like, let me claim an inner wealth that I'll never feel that again. Like that's not it at all. It's every time that comes up, I have the opportunity to go, wow, I am a super feeling person. I have intense empathy. I am hypersensitive. What a gift to be a sensitive person. I'm the greatness of sensitivity. I'm the greatness of empathy.
Wow.
And then own that, right? And then it doesn't mean it goes away. It means you had the opportunity to have intensity come up and you got to own your inner wealth.
Yeah.
And then our prediction and what we've been watching happen is you shift when you own inner wealth, like I'm the greatness of sensitivity and I'm the greatness of empathy. You see evidence pop up in your week that follows, like, whoa, there's me being empathetic, there's me being sensitive, there's me, and it's ways that are positive and supportive and helpful.